How to delete TikTok account without password. First of all, head over to your application TikTok. Tap on this three horizontal line at the top right corner. Move into Settings and Privacy. Head over to Account. So whenever you try to delete your TikTok account, it will ask you the password of your account. The one thing you should know that there is actually no way where you can delete your TikTok account without your password. If you have just forgotten the password of your TikTok account, you can recover or change it by tapping on Password option. Right here you need to verify your email address, so tap on Send Code. You will receive one verification mail on your email address, so head over to your Gmail. Right here you can see that you have received the mail. You have to copy this code. Once it is copied, you need to paste it here. There you go, it will take you to the page where you can change your password of your TikTok account. Create a new password that you prefer. Once it is done, tap on Next. Your password has been recovered successfully. Now you can simply tap on Deactivate or Delete Account. Tap on Delete Account permanently. It will take you to the page where you'll need to enter your password. Enter the password that you have just recovered, and then tap on Delete Account, and then your account will be deleted successfully. So this is it for today, and I hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.